In this video, I will be showing you guys all the renovations and the cleaning process that I did for my first real estate property as a 17-year-old. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that I'm fixing up and furnishing to list as my first property. Here's a list of all the things I need to do before I list it. I need to move furniture, vacuum carpets, shampoo carpets, clean the kitchen tile, clean the kitchen appliances. I need to clean the bathroom floors and the bathroom fixtures, paint a wall, and stain the outside deck. So the first thing on the list is vacuuming the carpets. I started with the living room area, and for some reason my dog wanted to fight my vacuum, so this is her fighting it. But anyways, the carpets look decent after. There were still some stains on the ground, which I am planning on getting out with my Bissell. But after I finished with the living room, I moved this leftover furniture that was still in the apartment out, and then I vacuumed this area right here. As you guys can see, there are a couple of stains in this area as well, which brings us to the second thing on the list, which is shampooing carpets. Shampooing carpets is really easy, and you can pay someone to do this, but I just went to my local Walmart and copped this for a little under $200. It's really easy to use, and it literally gets all the stains out. You can really see the big difference between the shampooed and the unshampooed carpets. If you want this machine, I'll link it in the description. This is not a sponsorship. I'm just letting y'all know. I'll link it in the description. You guys can get it on Amazon for around the same price I did. We can check that off the list and move on to the kitchen floors. I just took a brush and attached it to a stick, dipped that thing in soap, and just scrubbed away on the tile, and it turned out to look really good afterwards. I didn't know the difference would be this visible, but wow, just look how white and clean it looks. It literally looks brand new. This took me a while to do, but we can check that off the list and move on to the next, which would be the bathroom. I need to clean the shower, the sink, the toilet, and the floors. I did not get this on video. I cleaned everything off camera, but I will show you guys the finished results at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned. But we can check that off the list and move on to the next thing, which would be the kitchen appliances. There wasn't really that much to do. I just had to clean this very dusty, dirty air vent above the stove, and then just wipe down the stove. I just sprayed some glass cleaner on it and wiped it down. There wasn't a lot of kitchen appliances, so it was really easy to do. Next up on the list is painting. There was an ugly wall that had paint coming off of it, so we just went to the store, we got some paint, and we grabbed a lighter blue color, and we planned on making this the accent wall of the apartment. It turned out really nice, and it gave it a nice touch to it. We also found this wooden dresser that we decided to paint dark gray and turn it into an extra storage and movie stand. The last thing that we did to the apartment was we re-stained the deck outside. As you guys can see, it was really weathered. We really wanted it to look nice for the client, so we can put some chairs and stuff out there. They can spend some time outdoors. So we went to the store. We picked out a mild brown stain color. It took us about a day to get done, and it turned out amazing. After I cleaned and painted everything, we furnished the apartment up and made it look really nice. Let me know if you guys liked how we furnished it down in the comment section below. Here's my first furnished property as a 17-year-old. Hopefully you guys liked how we furnished it. I plan to list this on either Airbnb or Furnished Finder. We are looking to find a traveling nurse to stay in the apartment for around 3 to 4 months at a time. We're in an area that has multiple hospitals nearby, so that might be the best option. We can also charge a couple $100 more than usual because of how big the apartment is and how it's fully furnished. In my next video, I will cover all those details, and I'll also be talking about how I listed it and where I listed it. And I'll also update y'all if I got a client, so make sure to subscribe and to turn on those notifications to stay updated. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you guys have an amazing day. Peace out.